there, it's Chris from Motorcycling Kiwi Style. I'm off for a night run. It's been 2 or 3 weeks since I've got the Bandit up and running. I'm going to give you a little bit of a ride up around Dyers Pass and show you what I think of it. Now for all of you people who are born in Christchurch, New Zealand, you'll know this road really well, Dyers Pass Road. Nice tight twisty hill section and it's so much fun. Once upon a time it was open road, but now they've curbed it back to 60k an hour, so I really had to watch the speedo on the Bandit. Very easy to exceed it. So I just had a bit of fun through the corners. So speaking of the corners, the forecoil and the new Metzler Road Tech just makes such a big change. It just great feedback through the front end. You can pitch it in and it feels nice and secure. I mean, for an old tech bike with right side up forks, they actually handle pretty good. I mean, their shock is probably ancient. The rebound seems okay, doesn't seem to spring too much. Thing with riding it is that you just go smooth. You don't shunt it into corners, brake hard, throw it in and gas it out like say a GSF1200S. It's not that sort of bike. So what do I like about it? I like its flickability, I like its smoothness. Yeah, it's a bit buzzy. I like the fact that it's just easy to ride. The instruments are easy to read, riding position's comfortable, mirrors are good. Oh, it just sounds so nice. For a big 4, you just gotta love that stomping torque. 3,700 RPM is maximum torque, which is just incredible. Now you may notice that on the right hand side of the handlebars, one of my barring weights abandoned ship. So I was a little bit hesitant on taking it on the open road. I mean, it'd probably be okay, but I thought, no, I'll get some new bar ends. So must have just not done it up tightly. Back down to second. Ease it in, power it out. Up to the next left-hander, keep it in second. Ease into it. Go out wide, power it on, up to third. Speaking of third gear, notice that whine. It's a bit disconcerting. I thought it would be a bit of a problem. I thought maybe it needs another oil change. But nice fourth makes the sound as well. Just went on the Bandit forum, asked about it. Some bikes do it, some bikes don't. Some people say, yes, the gearbox is on its way out. Other people say, no, it's just a big agricultural old engine from 1986 GSX1100. They're fine, keep the oil changes up. So, for my advanced old machine, I'll just leave it. Keep the oil changes up every 6,000 Ks, put a new filter in at the same time. I mean, what really can go wrong? I'm not racing it. I don't think I'm going to race it. No, I'm not going to race it. What else do I like about it? What don't I like about it, more like? Trying to think, actually. The front brakes, I think they may need new pads, so I'm going to look into that probably around about winter. Oh, I love this corner. This is the tight one coming up to the sign of the Kiwi. I used to really hoof it here on my GSX1200 back in the old days, but can't do that anymore. This is the sign of the Kiwi, which is the top of the hill. You can turn left and go right around the Port Hills, but such a nice ride, especially up our state at night like it is at the moment. Heading back down again, I tried a little bit of different type of footage with my GoPros. I swapped over. What do you guys reckon? Is it good, or is it pretty boring just looking at me going through the gears? Just trying something different. So for the Bandit, let's talk more about it. So my $2,500, I think it's a pretty good score so far. It's a lot of bike for not a lot of money, easy to service. Everyone loves Bandits. Anyway, I'll shush for a while and just let you guys listen. Oh, I love this road. The trick is to come up here when there's not much traffic. You can get stuck behind really slow cars. Notice they're all going the other way, so I timed it just perfectly. This left-hander, a friend of mine, Lee, binned it on his RG250 back in 1990. Bit of a hard case. Easy just to hold second gear. You can go up to third, but I like to have a few revs. Oh, it's such a peaceful ride. Quite often when I'm not up to much in the evening, I'll just jump on the Bandit. This road is only 5 minutes away from where I live. Hey, thanks so much for watching, guys and gals. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know if I should have done something better. And take care, see you on the other side, and ride carefully. Bye bye.